Welcome back, dear students. In the previous sessions of Unit 1, we have studied what are the different basic logic gates. So, what are the different basic logic gates? Those are nothing but AND, OR, and NOT. And we also learned about two more gates. Those are NAND and NOR. So these are called as basic gates because any expression or any complex expression can be formed with these three gates only. These three gates only we can realize or implement or design any complex expression. That's why these are called as basic logic gates. And these two gates, NAND and NOR gates, are called as universal gates. Universal gates. These are called so because any expression or any expression or any gate can be realized by using only NAND gate or only NOR gate itself. So any given expression or any complex expression you can only implement with each of the NOR or NAND gate. That's why you can call these two gates as universal gates. Now in this class we will discuss how to realize or how to design any gate or any expression in terms of NAND or NOR gates only. So we are going to discuss the realization of NAND and NOR gates. NAND and NOR gates. Before going into the procedure, we have to know some prerequisites of NAND and NOR gates realization, that are the NAND gate. So what is the input? If there are two inputs A, B, then what is the output? It is nothing but complemented AND, right? So A dot B and this is complemented, right? And for NOR gate, it is nothing but complemented OR, right? So this is, if A, B are inputs, then the output Y is nothing but complemented OR. So A plus B whole complemented. This is our output. So we know the Boolean algebraic rules, right? So from the De Morgan's law, what is A dot B whole bar? So while writing it, the AND is converted to OR, okay? AND is converted to OR, and here whole bar is there. When you are splitting out the terms, then you have to complement each variable. So each variable should be complemented. Okay? Now, if you write A plus B whole bar, by using De Morgan's law, again this R is converted to AND, okay? And each variable should be complemented. A bar dot B bar. So if you represent this logic expression in terms of logic gate, so this is a OR gate. This is a OR gate having inputs of A and B in complemented form. So you can write A is here. So A complement will come here because here I placed an OR gate. So it is B complemented. So the complemented variables are odd. The complemented variables are odd together. So this is equivalent to this NAND gate, right? Because A dot B bar, B whole bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. So this can be implemented in logic gates like this. So this is equivalent to this one. And we can write this NOT gate as bubble form like this. This is OR gate. Okay? And this NOT gate can be represented as a bubble here. This represents the given input is inverted. So if it is A, B here, so it nothing but represents as complemented inputs are given. So A is complemented and B is complemented. Those are R together. So this is nothing but A bar plus B bar, which is equivalent to this one. Okay. Now wherever you found a bubbled OR gate, you can replace with NAND gate. So wherever you found a bubbled OR gate, you can replace with NAND gate. This is first conclusion. Now coming to the second one. See, in this A bar dot B bar. So this AND gate, right? So this is nothing but A bar dot B bar. So A bar, B bar are ANDed together to give an output of A bar dot B bar. And complemented means you are having a NOT gate. You can represent a NOT gate with a bubble form. So I am representing like this. Nothing but A bar dot B bar. So I am given A, B as inputs, and these are bubbled means these are inverted. So it is coming as A bar and B bar, and these are ANDed together. Means A bar dot B bar. So this ANDed bubble form of AND gate is nothing but NOR gate, right? A bar dot B bar is nothing but A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar means this is NOR gate. So bubbled NOR gate, bubbled AND gate is nothing but NOR gate. Wherever you found a bubbled AND gate, you can replace with a NOR gate. So here we can write NAND equivalent bubbled OR gate is nothing but NAND gate, and bubbled AND gate is nothing but NOR gate. So this helps us to understand the procedure of NAND and NOR gate realization. Now we move on to the NAND and NOR gate realization. That means the procedure to convert any expression or any gate in NAND or NOR logic. To implement any expression in a NAND or NOR gate realization, the first step you have to do is draw the circuit in AOI logic. Draw the circuit in AOI logic. We'll see what is AOI logic. AOI logic means A means AND, O means OR, I means inverter. So I already told that any given expression can be realized with AND, OR and NOT gates only. So if I express any given expression or any gate in the form of AND or inverter logic or AND or NOT gates, then it is called as AOI logic. Or otherwise you can tell that in Boolean expression it is having form of SOP or POS. If you see an SOP form, the sum of products, right? So it is nothing but group of AND gates. Group of AND gates means like this. The group of AND gates are OR together. Okay? And POS form, it is nothing but group of OR gates. It is ANDed together. So in the variables we are having complemented and uncomplemented forms. That's why we are having NOT gate also. Or otherwise you can have a NOT gate at the output to have the POS form at the end of SOP form. So to represent any Boolean expression in any either forms or hybrid form of combination of POS and SOP form, you need to implement the given expression by using AND, OR and NOT gates. So then it is called AOI logic. So implementing any expression with AOI logic is our first step in the procedure. Okay? And the next step, you have to bubble the inputs. It is two cases. In the first case, to implement the NAND gate realization, you have to bubble the output of AND gate and bubble at the input of OR gate. This is second step. If it is a NOR gate realization, in NOR gate realization, you have to bubble at output of OR gate as well as input of AND gate. Okay? And third step is, wherever you bubbled, you have to introduce a NOT gate in that line. Add or introduce is a NOT gate or inverter wherever we bubbled in respective lines. And the fourth step is to convert bubbled OR gate to AND gate. We have seen that bubbled OR gate is nothing but NAND gate. So replace or convert is to replace bubbled OR gate with NAND gate. Again, in NOR realization, bubbled AND gate with NOR gate. And the final step is to drop double inverters, double NOT gates in a line. This means that dropping double inverters or double NOT gates is nothing but whenever you double complement any variable or any term, it is nothing but the term or the variable itself. So dropping out these two inverters doesn't change the system's functionality. That's why dropping the double NOT gates in a line will reduce our gates. So this is the procedure of NAND or NOR gate realization. What we did in the first step, we have to draw the circuit in AOI logic, and then if we want to realize the given expression in NAND hardware, you have to bubble the output of AND gate and input of OR gates. And in NOR hardware realization, you have to bubble the output of OR gates and input of AND gates. After that, introduce a NOT gate wherever you bubble in the respective lines. Wherever you bubble, introduce a NOT gate before the line. Before. So after that, replace a bubbled OR gate with NAND gate, replace a bubbled AND gate with NOR gate. And the final step is to drop the double NOT gates in the same line. So we will first realize an expression. After that, we will first realize a simple basic gate. After that, we will go to the expression realization. See, NOT gate is nothing but a complement of any given term or expression. So, if A is the input, at the output of the NOT gate, you will get the complement of the input, that is A bar. So, represent the given inverter in NAND or NOR realization, you can represent with the same input, the two inputs with the same input, like this. See, if the NAND gate is there, if two inputs are there A, B, what is the output? A dot B whole bar. Let's take the two inputs as A. What happens? Here A dot A whole bar. From AND law, we know that A dot A is nothing but A and bar. Okay? So, At the input we got A bar, y is equal to A bar. So this is nothing but the NAND equivalent of inverter. So in the same way, NOR gate, if we give the both inputs as A, then what is the output? Y is A plus A whole bar, right? From our law, A plus A is nothing but A. So A bar is our inverter output. So this acts as an inverter. So in NAND realization, we replace an inverter, any leftover inverter, with the same input NAND gate, and in NOR realization, we replace an inverter with the same input NOR gate. The first example is, we first realize AND gate. Okay. So what is the expression of AND gate output? Y is nothing but A dot B. So if A, B are inputs, our output Y is nothing but A dot B, right? So we draw the AOI logic because we represented the given expression with the one of the basic gates, that is AND gate. Now in the NAND gate realization, we take the NAND gate realization first. In the NAND gate realization, bubble the output of AND gate. Bubble the output of AND gate. The first step, step 1, A, B are inputs. I bubble the output of AND gate. And there is no OR gate, so I didn't bubble it the inputs of OR gates. And the next step, introduce a NOT gate wherever we bubbled in respective lines. So I bubbled here. So I have to introduce a NOT gate here. Why I have to introduce a NOT gate? I bubbled means I inverted already. If I place a NOT gate here, I invert it again. So it doesn't change the functionality. Inversion, if double happens, a double complement of any variable or a term is a term or a variable itself. That's why I have to introduce, in step 2, I have to introduce a NOT gate after the bubble. So I have introduced a NOT gate. So here the output is AB, so input is AB. I have introduced a NOT gate. Now replace a bubble OR gate with a NAND gate. So we are not having any bubble OR gates. So I am skipping the fourth step of the procedure. And fifth one, drop the double NOT gates. Here I am not having any double NOT gates. But this NOT gate can be represented in NAND gate having the same inputs. Means the two inputs are given as A, then the output is A bar. So I can replace this NOT gate like this. So the AND gate, the given AND gate can be replaced with this circuit. Replaced with this circuit. Now we'll move on to the NOR realization. So in the NOR realization, we should bubble the output of OR gate and at the input of AND gates. So we are having an AND gate, so we should bubble at the input of AND gate in the first step. Okay, so we have bubbled the input, and in the next step where we are bubbled, there we should introduce a NOT gate. So here I am bubbled. So before that I am introducing a NOT gate, so that my functionality of the line doesn't change. So here this is an inverter because I am placing an inverter because I am bubbled the input. The same case the second line. So these two inverters can be represented with the NAND gate with the same inputs. Okay, and the bubbled AND gate can be represented with the NOR gate. So these two inverters can be represented with a NOR gate having a same input, having same input. The same will happen. What is the output of the NOR gate? It is nothing but A plus B whole bar, right? So in that A plus B whole bar, I am having the second input also as A. So what happens? A plus A whole bar. A plus A is nothing but A itself and whole bar. So giving the same input at the input of the NOR gate will act as inverter. So each inverter can be replaced with a NOR gate and the bubbled AND gate can be converted to NOR gate, can be replaced with NOR gate. This is our realization of AND gate with NOR gate. Okay. Now we will move on to the next gate, that is OR gate realization with NAND and NOR. OR gate. In this OR gate, we are having two inputs A, B. Okay. So in this A, B, the output will be A plus B. Okay. Now to implement the given expression of the given gate in the NAND gate realization, first we have to bubble the inputs of OR gate or bubble the output of the AND gate. So we are having OR gate. So we should, in step 1, we should bubble the input of OR gate. Input of OR gate. This is our step 1. In the next step, you have to add an inverter where you are bubbled. So I bubbled at the input, so I am introducing a NOT gate or inverter before it. So here I am introducing a NOT gate. So NOT gate in NAND realization, it is nothing but same input NAND gate, okay, and bubbled OR gate is nothing but a NAND gate. So here I can represent with a NAND gate. So if the inputs are A, B, the output is A dot B. So we can represent a given OR gate with a NAND gate of 3 gates combination like this. Okay. Now we will implement the same gate in NOR realization. So in the NOR realization, first we have to bubble the output of OR gate and input of AND gate. So the output of OR gate is bubbled here in the first step. What is the step in the second step? In the second step, you have to introduce or add an inverter where you are bubbled. So I have bubbled here. In the same line, I'll add an inverter. So I am adding an inverter. Okay. Now this inverter can be represented with a same input NOR gate. This represents a OR gate representation with NOR realization. We realize any given expression in NAND or NOR realization. Let's take a given example. See the example. Here we have an expression. Now we have to implement or realize the given expression in NAND and NOR gate realization. See the first example. So what is the first step? To draw in a AOL logic. AOL logic is nothing but to implement the given expression with the help of the basic gates AND, OR and NOT. So to implement, I am taking the first step, that is A dot B. So A, B are ANDed. Okay, and C plus D. C plus D means C and D are ORed. A, B are ANDed, C, D are ORed. And then these two are ANDed, right? These two terms are ANDed. The ANDed term is complemented. The whole term is complemented, right? So the ended term is inverted here. Now not gate here. And it is OR with A bar. So A is inverted. We got A bar here. And these two are OR. These two are OR. This is the step 1. That is nothing but AOA logic implementation. Okay. In step 2, what we have to do? We have to bubble at the, I am doing the NAND gate realization at first. Okay. In that, we have to bubble at the output of AND gate and bubble at input of OR gate. So, the AND gate output is bubbled, OR gate input is bubbled. Okay. Here again we are having AND gate, so output is bubbled, NOT gate, here also NOT gate, and here OR gate is there, so our inputs are bubbled. So this is our step 2. In step 3, what we have to do? We have to introduce an inverter where we are bubbled. Okay? I am representing in the step itself because it is easy to explain you. So in the third step, what we have to do? Where we have introduced the bubbles. So here I am introduced the bubbles in the second step. Okay? Then you have to, in that line you have to introduce or you have to add an inverter. So I introduced a bubble here. So I have to introduce a NOT gate here. Okay? Now at the inputs I have introduced the bubble in the OR gate. So I have to introduce a NOT gate before it. Okay? And again I have introduced a NOT at the output of AND gate here. So I have to introduce a NOT gate here. Again here the inputs are bubbled. So I have to introduce a NOT gate here. Now what we have to do? We have to replace the bubble OR gate with NAND gate. Okay? And the next step and the last step is drop out the double inverters or the two inverters in the same line. If you see these two inverters are at the same line, we can drop out these two inverters. And these two inverters are at the same line, we should drop out these two inverters. So by rewriting the given expression, we can write C, A, B are ended. And it is not. An inverter can be replaced with the same input of NAND gate. So, NAND gate. And here, these two are representing the NAND gates because the inputs are inverted means the inputs can be written like this. And this bubbled OR gate can be represented with a NAND gate, and these two are NANDed again. Okay, and we are dropping these two inverters, and at this inverter can be represented again with same input NAND gate. Okay, and A is coming like this. Okay, and this bubbled OR gate can be represented with a NAND gate. So these two represented with a NAND gate. This is our output Y. So here the given expression can be represented in a NAND logic. So what we have first did, we represented in a AOI logic first. After that, we have bubbled the output of AND gates and inputs of OR gates, And where we introduce the bubbles, we added inverters before or after that, and we dropped the double inverters in the same line, and we represented the bubble OR gate with NAND gate, and at last we got the NAND gate realization. Now we will see the same expression NOR gate realization. Now we see the NOR gate realization of the same expression. This is NOR gate realization. The first step is to draw in the AOA logic. So we have drawn the AOA logic. In the second step, we have to bubble the output of OR gate and the input of AND gates. So the AND gate input should be bubbled. The OR gate output should be bubbled. So in this, the AND gate input should be bubbled in the NOR realization, and the OR gate output should be bubbled. This is AND gate, so input should be bubbled. This is OR gate, so output should be bubbled. So where we introduce the bubble, we have to add a NOT gate or an inverter before or after it. So here in the inputs, I have introduced a bubble. So I have to introduce a NOT gate here. Okay. Now I have introduced a bubble at the output of NOR gate. So here I have introduced a NOT gate here. Again, these two inputs are bubbled. So I have to introduce a NOT gate here and here. Okay. Now the output is bubbled, right? So I have to introduce a NOT gate here. Now after that, you have to represent the bubbled AND gate with NOR gate. The bubbled AND gate we should represent with NOR gate, and we should drop out the double inverters in the same line. I have two inverters in the same line, so I have dropped these two inverters. And in the rest of the lines, there are no double inverters. So to represent this in the NOR form, we have to represent each NOT gate with a same input NOR gate and bubbled AND gate with NOR gate. See, the final expression is like this. The final form of NOR gate realization. Here both are NOR gates, so we should represent same input NOR gate. So the inputs are A, B, right? So this bubbled AND gate can be represented with NOR gate, and here CD are given to a NOR gate, CD, and the output is given to here bubbled AND gate, nothing but a NOR gate, and again OR gate. Here AND gate is there, so NOR gate is there. So here we should complement with the NOR gate. Here is also a inverter is there. Or either you can take the input directly like this, and these two are given to a NOR gate. And at last we are having another NOT gate. It can be represented with same input NOR gate. This will give you an expression Y, the given expression Y in terms of NOR gate realization. So to get a NOR gate realization of a given expression, first we have to draw the AOA logic, and then we should bubble the inputs of AND gate and output of OR gate. Wherever you introduce the bubbles, you have to add the inverter in the input of AND gates and output of OR gates. And in the next step, you have to represent the bubbled AND gate with an OR gate, and you have to drop out the double inverters in the same line. And in the last step, we have to represent the bubble AND gate with NOR gate and leftover NOT gates with same input NOR gate, and this becomes your final circuit realization for the NOR gate with the help of universal gate, that is NOR gate. Thank you.